Hello guys, I'm Isis Finn in this channel. Subscribe to me and him. What's your name?
Lerma Manyoso, my name is on my channel, and sub and subscribe.
And
my
sub to
friend.
me.
And my friend,
I just say
when he's 30 years old, is gonna
no. I accidentally say that when I'm 19 years old, I will quit YouTube. Then in 19 years old, then when I'm turning to 20, I will come back in YouTube. Right, guys? And you, when you gonna quit YouTube?
when I get
59 years old?
25 years old. I am in 11 years old now.
25 cents? Did you know when you start YouTube? When you start YouTube? He starts YouTube in May 7? I think he start YouTube today. Then I start YouTube when I'm in 5. When I'm 5, I start YouTube. Then today, I have a lot of subscribers for my dream to have it. YouTube play button. Yeah. Guys, sorry you don't see me in my channel because I cannot do my channel. I'm making a new one, I think. Because that's where I make my channel in my dad's phone. Then you need to speak now, my friend.
I am just gonna quit and 18 years old and quitting and sub to me because in 19 years old me, when I'm 19 years old, I'm just gonna quit. When I'm
Time to say bye-bye, do a part 2.
Bye-bye, part 2 again. See you guys.
Because it does.
Sub and subscribe to us.
I need to say bye!